In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use promotional pop-ups on Squarespace. First, sign into your Squarespace account and head to your account dashboard. If you land somewhere else, look for the main dashboard option and click it so you're in the right place to manage your sites. From there, open the site you want to work on by selecting Go to Website. This takes you into the Site Manager where you'll configure everything. On the left-hand panel, choose Website to open your site settings, then go to Pages. Next, navigate to your marketing area. Depending on your version, this may appear as Marketing or Marketing Tools. Open that, then select Promotional Pop-up. This is where you'll design, connect, and control how your pop-up behaves. Let's start with the design. Click Change Layout to browse Squarespace's preset pop-up layouts. Each layout handles image placement, text alignment, and form areas a little differently. Pick the one that fits your goal, whether that's collecting emails or announcing a promotion. Then click Select. When you're happy with your choice, click Save so your layout is locked in. Now move to how the pop-up behaves. Open Action. Here you'll set what happens when a visitor interacts with your pop-up. First, adjust the button settings to control the button's label and what clicking it does, such as submitting a form or opening a link to a specific page. Next, open Storage to choose where submitted form data goes. Connect it to your preferred collection point inside Squarespace, or to an email marketing platform you already use, so new signups flow directly where you need them. After that, go to Verification to reduce spam. Enable human verification if it's available in your version so automated submissions are filtered out. Then open Post Submit to decide what visitors see after they submit. This could be a friendly confirmation message or a redirect to a thank you page with a special code. When you're done reviewing action settings, use the back arrow to return to the main pop-up panel. Next, let's craft your message. Open Content, then Headline. Write a clear, benefit-focused headline like, "Get 10% off your first order," or "Join our list for exclusive updates." Keep it short and direct so it's easy to scan. Go back, then open Body to add supporting text. 1 or 2 sentences is plenty. Explain the value, set expectations, and keep the tone consistent with your brand. When your message is set, use the back arrow to return. With content ready, decide where and when the pop-up appears. Open Display and Timing. Start with Pages to choose which areas of your site will show the pop-up. You might limit it to your home page and key landing pages, or exclude pages like Checkout where interruptions aren't ideal. Next, open Timing to set when the pop-up triggers. For example, on page load, after a short delay, after a scroll percentage, or on exit intent if your version supports it. Choose the option that best balances visibility with user experience. Then open Frequency to decide how often the same visitor sees the pop-up. A reasonable cooldown period helps avoid fatigue and keeps your message effective. When you're done, use the back arrow to return. Finally, open Style to fine-tune the look and feel. Adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and overlay opacity so the pop-up matches your brand and remains readable. Aim for strong contrast for accessibility, make the close icon obvious, and preview on mobile to ensure buttons and fields are easy to tap. That's it. You've chosen a layout, set the action in storage, added a clear headline and body, and controlled where, when, and how often the pop-up appears, all while matching your site's style. Keep your message concise, offer real value, and set timing and frequency that respect your visitors. When you follow these steps, your promotional pop-up can capture attention without getting in the way and turn casual visitors into engaged subscribers or customers.